Want to accept credit cards and local payment methods without third-party gateways? Shopify Payments is the easiest way, and here's how to activate it in your country. First, log into your Shopify admin, go to Settings, Payments, and check it if Shopify Payments is available in your country. If it shows up, click Complete Account Setup. You'll be asked to enter key details: your business name, address, banking information, tax ID, and personal identification. Fill it out carefully and submit. Next, review the payment methods available in your region, like major credit cards, wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and local options depending on where you are located. Customize them as needed. Once you have it verified, Shopify payments will automatically go live on your store. No coding or third-party apps are needed. You also get access to faster payouts, built-in fraud tools, and better reporting. If Shopify payments isn't supported in your country, you'll need to use a third-party gateway instead. If this helped, well, like the video, subscribe, and drop your country in the comments. I'll share the best payment options for your region. And until then, I'll catch you in the next video.